Welcome back to Java Jokes Lazy Learner's Guide to Coding with a Chuckle. In this episode, we are going to tackle something that can often feel like an Olympic level sport: setting up your coding environment. But don't worry, we are going to make it as lazy friendly as possible. Picture this. You are in a massive warehouse, and instead of building cars, you are setting up your coding environment. First up, you need the tools of the trade. Grab your Visual Toolbox. It's time for the Java Development Kit, JDK. Think of it as your coding hammer and nails, all neatly bundled in a package. Now, visit the official Oracle website where you will discover the JDK. Don't panic, it's not as complicated as assembling an IKEA shelf. Choose the version that suits your needs and operating system. Download and install it like a boss. If you encounter any hiccups, remember that error messages are just Java's way of telling you a joke you haven't learned yet. Alright, now that you've got the JDK under your belt, let's talk about your coding playground, the Integrated Development Environment, IDE. Imagine it as a digital playground with swings, slides, and coding monkeys. Okay, maybe not the monkeys. Our favorite lazy-friendly IDE is like a cozy blanket for your code. Choose one like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA, download and install it. And yes, there's a download button, not a treasure map with a giant red X. You will find it, trust me. The dramatic climax of any setup adventure: installation errors. These little buggers love to pop up just when you thought everything was going smoothly, but fear not. For we are here to guide you through the hilarious land of troubleshooting. Imagine yourself as a coding detective, armed with a magnifying glass and a superhuman ability to decipher cryptic error messages. Remember, Google is your trusty sidekick. Most errors have been encountered by fellow coders who, like you, were just trying to get their coding castle in order. As you navigate the unpredictable world of installations and error messages, keep in mind that you are not alone. Even the most seasoned coders have had their fair share of head-stretching moments. It's all part of the coding adventure. So, whether you encounter an error that sounds like a philosophical riddle or one that seems to have been generated by mischievous AI, just remember to take a deep breath and laugh it off. After all, laughter is the secret sauce that turns coding struggles into learning moments. And that wraps up our lazy journey through setting up your Java coding environment. Next time, we will dive into the basics of Java syntax, all with a generous sprinkling of humor, of course. Until then, keep your coding spirit high and your laughter even higher.